Our final model for 616 divided by 4 is going to be the abstract model, and we're using the standard algorithm, so in this case that will be long division. Okay. But again, notably we're going to be moving through these steps in the exact same order and kind of using that same language throughout. So 616, that's our starting amount. We want to divide this into 4 equal groups. So we want to think of this as we have 6 hundreds, and I want to place those into 4 equal groups. How many hundreds can I place into each group? I can put 100 into each group. That means I've taken 4 of those hundreds and distributed those, and that has left me with 2 hundreds. Okay, so that directly aligns with the representational and concrete models that we looked at. Now this next step, when we bring down, right, that's kind of the terminology that we hear is bring down this 1. What we're doing in this step also, right, because this is 110, here we have 2 hundreds. When we bring this 1 down and we take this into consideration, this action is when we have done that regrouping of those 2 hundreds. Okay. Rather than thinking of this as 2 hundreds and 110, now we're just recognizing this as 21 tens. So I have 21 tens. I want to place those into those 4 groups equally. How many can I put into each group? I can place 5 tens into each group. Right? That means I have removed 20 tens from my original quantity for my dividend, so that leaves 1 10 left over. And then again, we can't distribute that into the 4 groups. We don't have enough, so then we regroup that 110 as 10 ones, and then we take these other ones into consideration. Now we have 16 ones. Okay, so we're thinking if we have 16 ones, how many ones can I place into each of those 4 groups? I can place 4 into each of those groups. So that means I would take away all 16 of my ones. So that means there's nothing left in my starting amount. That's what that 0 at the end represents, just like we saw in the models. And again, our quotient or our answer to our problem is telling us that is the size of each group. So each group has a size of 154 when we take 616 and divide that into 4 equal groups.